Hi, I'm Patrick Voss. My company is Robot Monkey Lab Incorporated. You might know us as VFX or VFXCreates.com. We're the guys that make those awesome products like Attack Line puppets, illusion boxes, crate creatures, Jack-in-the-Box lunging clown heads, and more. I've been creating special effects since I was in grade school. In the 80s and 90s, I was designing, building, and running top-rated haunted house attractions. And into the 2000s, I created special effects for haunts and film productions. Back in 2009, I teamed up with James Gregson of Gregson Studios to produce a set of DIY instructional videos showing how I do some of my effects. It was called VFX Secrets, and some of you may even have one of our DVDs, like How to Make Fake Tombstones and Rocks. At any rate, with the state of things today, we decided we were going to revisit VFX Secrets. And a lot of you like to build your own Halloween and haunt stuff. So how would you like to learn the VFX secrets of making products like ours? So far, we have 5 potential instructional courses. See them below. Our plan is to find out what you are most interested in. The one that gets the most interest is the one we will start with. We will use Kickstarter.com to crowdfund and see if we can get enough people interested in pledging to make this happen. And we need your input. If you are not familiar with Kickstarter.com, see information and links below on this page. But basically, Kickstarter is a website where we will lay out our course idea, set a funding goal, and a deadline. The VFX Secrets course will have a retail price it will be available at after the Kickstarter, and the discounted price that you can pledge to get it for during the Kickstarter. When we reach our goal, everybody wins. Here's a bonus we're going to throw in. Whatever amount you spend on the Kickstarter for the course and it's successful, we're going to let you have that amount as a one-time discount on select products at the VFXCreates.com store online. And additionally, if you don't want to use that, you can give it to a friend to use. Again, more details below. So please scroll down, check out the potential courses we have laid out, and let us know. Give us some feedback. Let us know what you're interested in, what VFX secrets you want. Because the one that gets the most interest is the one we're going to do first.